Hi everyone, this is Kim talking with help of Ruby and Bunny also. We are VR architect, providing the VR technology as a design tool and innovative visual communication. The name of VR architect comes from the modern technology itself that we provide to our architect and client, as well as means specific what we actually are. Our business concept, VR Architect, a startup architectural firm, hopes to introduce modern technology into architectural world with the help of virtual reality technology. This demonstrates the capability of exploring space with a variety of scenes for users by providing the high-quality rendering of three-dimensional graphical design environment in physical space, making it easier for architects, clients, and stakeholders to see, feel, and have a better understanding the design space. We architects also hope to make VR technology as a design tool, not only for architects, but also for other multidisciplinary fields, such as industrial designers, engineers, and gaming developers, who will then use this innovative method as a common language. The idea of bringing up this opportunity was identified through business studies and inspired for major businesses at Google, Microsoft, and IKEA, which have a major impact on the global industry in terms of business and design. However, those businesses mentioned use a much more simple mechanism in comparison with VR technology. This identification makes us want to become a well-known architectural firm who stands out from the others. We would like to be different and provide various services to public. Therefore, VR Architect will introduce virtual reality technology to fill the gap within the market, and in such a way where designers are integral with this new technology that can be used to visually communicate differently. With the SWOT analysis, help us to notice our strengths and weaknesses of the business, as well as realize the opportunity and threats that could impact to our business in future. Strengths improves spatial awareness such as feeling and economic. Ability to protect the vision of interior space better than ever. Innovative and enjoyable technology. Easier approach to user. Behavior-driven design. Ability to help users to notice and simplify complex problems before constructing. Weaknesses, technology difficulties and disruption in terms of training staff and unstable software updating. Technology update in terms of software and freeze. Uncomfortable for users who wear glasses. Maintenance freeze of equipment can cause motion and simulation sickness. Opportunities, enhancing marketing growth, continue to expand possibility to global market, ease of access for global users. Winning awards, mentoring can go. Threats, expense of updating software and machine. To technologically advanced, growing of similar local and global architectural firms, and popularity of VR technology can slowly fade out in decades.
VR technology can be used to give our target audience a fully immersive experience of our business and showcase our product in a unique way. Target audience of this business, we are focusing on our architects and interior architects, real estate agents, clients who wish to design their home and business, engineers, education institutions. Our competitors are Sony PlayStation VR, Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, architecture firm and design company based on Australia, which is Ridley, the digital design and construction company in Sydney, architecture firm and design company in global markets such as IKEA, Irish VR, and Shop Architect, which is in New York, ACOM, which is in Los Angeles, Arch Rival, which is in USA. Our partnerships are with Samsung, Intel, and Microsoft. VR Architect's vision is to revolutionize the design industry into more informative, virtual, and advanced technology era in worldwide. VR Architect stand as an interior architectural practice in whom are using innovative technology to our clients, hoping to then mentor designers and new generation in how to adopt this technology into the upcoming future. Therefore, the need to fill gap within the market will be strongly critical considered, and once this is accomplished, we hope to become a well-known business who will be producing a great service system with effective cost to our clients. VR Architect's mission is to appreciate advanced technology as VR technology in a new way in order to communicate and represent interior spaces in varied approach to clients. We will hold a strong belief that all employees will be trained to a high standard so that we will provide creative works and correctly communicate design to our clients, while VR still hope to bring a strong culture where the design team can all work together to solve any problems and share the creativeness of one another within the business. VR Architect will offer varieties of services within the scope of the interior architecture industry with enhanced vision of interior spaces, relying greatly on being able to communicate the idea in a different graphical way. The adaptation of virtual reality demonstrates advanced computer graphic in 360-degree that increases the perception of reality. The VR head-mounted display involves fitted sensors in which will generate a three-dimensional image and environment as it is real seen to clients and designers in order to make more informed design decisions. VR Architect will make sure that this technology, including software and equipment, is well integrated with the 3D software such as Rhinoceros and Revit, up to date and well taken care of, so the business can continue to grow successfully within the market. Samples of our services as follows are new interior architectural project, renovation of interior project, concept development, construction phase, and services. Market strategy can be promoted through architecture, trade magazines, newspapers, trade shows, newsletters, website and blogs, visual presentation, and consumer publications. Our target base are architects and interior architects, real estate agents, clients who wish to design their home, food service business, that is restaurant, cafe and bar, retail shop, engineers, education institute, and the government.
VR Architects has its own business goal within the time span of 10 years. For the second year, we strive to have architectural practice, which will establish a name to the market by introducing VR technology into architectural projects in a scale of from residential building to commercial projects within 2 years. Hoping to become a well-known firm that has a strong portfolio and helpful and creative employees in the design industry, which leads to the increasing of our clients. Continuing to the 5 years, we will be aiming for the architectural practice and mentoring team, which once VR technology starts to widespread in the crowd, VR architect will gather feedback from target space and software developers for a better understanding of their opinions towards this visual communication and design tool in order to develop further and to combine with smartphones for the ease of approach to users. Software developers such as Autodesk, Adobe, and other creative companies are the capstone for developing the recommended programs for VR technology. In the meanwhile, VR Architect devotes into becoming a mentoring and maintenance service in education institution and design industry for better understanding of this technology and application that can be used in the design process. Continuing to the 10 years of growth, the growth within the market and expansion to the global market is expected. In the business long term, VR Architect will revolutionize current working patterns into an information-based era where designers have an opportunity to communicate in a variety of ways. Moreover, we would like to expand our company into the global market as an interior architectural firm that holds advanced technology and have strong belief in mentoring others to understand VR technology. As for our implementation strategy, for the director will be leading, developing, and mentoring the architectural design firm, as well as working with senior management in the business development efforts. The director develops programming, consulting, strategic planning, conceptual design, and production, as well as creating and developing overall design concepts and formulating. As for the development manager, the manager will assist in research, design development, and production control of the VR technology. Development manager will present architectural solution in writing and verbally and seek stakeholders' approvals. They will participate in scope, schedule, and resource negotiations. Also, to ensure the quality assurance with every project and services. The administrative assistant will set up the database programs for accounting, scale and distribution of services and projects. They will manage the wages. As for architects in VR Architect, they will be responsible for determining the applicability of the technology. They define the best possible interior space using VR technology, as well as guiding team in implementing creative solutions both on design process and during construction. They will be designing the dream projects for clients, as well as travels regularly to building sites, proposed location, and client meetings. They will be responsible for working around stakeholders in example, town planning legislation, environmental impact, and project budget. They will be in charge of choosing the materials to be used and specifying the requirements for the project. The mentors in VR architects will be educate users such as students, clients, and architects towards the adaptability of VR technology. Working as a strong team, so in order to provide a clear communication, they will also provide and organize tutorials for users like students and architects to get better understanding of using VR technology. The receptionist of VR Architect will welcome the guests and clients by greeting them in person or on the phone. They will handle multi-lines of phone receptions and handle all the incoming and outgoing shipping and handle the needs. They will be organizing all the appointments and also provide the basic information of service and products to the clients. The location of the VR Architects will be located at 43 Hardware Lane, Melbourne, Victoria. And this is the financial plan for a VR Architect. For the first year cost, the startup and ongoing cost will be costing VR Architect roughly about $170,000, which the first year cost, the cost of computers and equipping the office, the cost of the required software applications, advertising and marketing promotions expenses, compliance needs, the total cost for payment and of insurance policy covers, cost of launching official websites, utility bills, shop fit out, furniture, rental or buy a studio for businesses. And then as for the third year cost, it will be employees or the wage, maintenance for virtual reality equipment, updating the software fees, product insurance, product delivery, and training mentors. As for the fifth year cost, it will be mentoring programs, software purchase, traveling costs, three-dimensional graphs, VR render engines, patents, copyright, and trademarks. The target net profit for VR architects, as for the first year, it will be within the range of $23,000 to $25,000. As for the third year, it will be $130,000 and more. Continue increase annual approximation of 50,000 from first year. As for the fifth year, it will be $400,000 as it increases annual approximate about 85,000 from the third year. Thank you for your time.